Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to write on Medium. So here are the detailed steps to write on Medium using the Medium web app. The first thing you need to do is to open your preferred browser and go to medium.com. If you're not logged in yet, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and enter your credentials to access your account. Now, once you're logged in, look for the right icon at the top right corner of the Medium homepage next to the notification bell and profile icon, which we have here. Now, this icon typically appears as a pencil or writing icon. Now, click on the right icon to begin a new post. So it's taking us here. Now, after clicking on the right icon, you'll be redirected to this page. That is the Medium editor page. Now, you can choose to write a story or a long form post. A story is like for, let's say, a regular articles, while long form posts are for more extensive writings. So whichever one you want to use. So for this guide, we're just going to proceed with a standard story option. Now, the editor page will open with a blank document, which we have here. The first is the title. So at the top of the page, you see a field where you can type the title of the story. So let's say, how I got my first toy. That can just be it. And then the next is the body of the story. Now below the title, you see a large text box where you can start writing the body of your article. Now you can add text and like images and media to just enhance your story. Now you have this three dot icon here where you can add to publication. That's where you can add your media. And then share draft link, share to X, manage unlisted settings, change featured image, change display title and subtitle, change topics, just a couple of these things to just help you. Now the Medium's editor, of course, it offers several formatting tools. So for the heading option, you can just go ahead and highlight. Okay, so let's say let's just say that's it. Now you can highlight your heading and you see the formatting options available. Now you can, of course, click on this to make it smaller, or you can just make it bolder, or you can just use any of this. Just the formatting, this formatting tools for the heading can just give you different angles of headings that you want. And then you can also use bold and italics as well. So as you can see, this has already reduced. So I think I should just make it bigger too. Head over here and highlight. So once you highlight, you can make this bold. All right. Or you can just leave it like that. Or you can make this, you can italicize it or just leave it like that. So you can just freestyle. And also you can create bullet points. So all of this can just be as, let's say, these are blocks that this, okay, first of this is to make the first block bigger. So I'm just going to remove that to just make, that's to make the first word in an entire sentence bigger. And then you can just flow through from there. These are private notes. If you want to add private notes, I just want to do Ctrl+Z because I just don't want that. So that's pretty much how you can freestyle. Now you can add links and you can add quotes. So click on your content. Let's say mention other content and just click on this plus icon. Now you can add pictures, you can embed, you can add links, you can, make this, add a new part to just make it interesting, and you can go X on that. Of course, when you highlight it, you see that there's a part for you to add a link. You can add a link here by clicking on this chain icon, and you can add quotes by clicking on this quote icon. Now to insert an image, which I showed you earlier, just go ahead and click on the plus icon and click on this. And once you click on add an image or videos, okay, this is for you to add a video, but this is for image. Just click on any of those icons and follow through the processes to upload an image from your computer or add a link to external media. Now, images will automatically be embedded in your story and appear as part of the content. So that is pretty much how you can write a story on Medium. Of course, at the bottom of the editor, that is, once you get to the bottom of the editor, after writing, you can of course add tags. So tags help categorize your content and make it more discoverable to readers. You can add up to 5 tags. Just type the tag you want, and that's pretty much it. Or you can just go ahead and click on this 3 dots icon, and let's say you want to check more settings. Click on more settings to view more settings on how to. So over here you can add your SEO title, your SEO description, and also promotion. That's the friend link, content licensing. All of this is just going to help you add more detail to your content, and this is how you can write on Medium. Now go over to tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. Don't forget that if you want to publish, click on the publish button that appears at the top right corner of the editor to publish. Now, after publishing, you can share your story with others. Medium provides options to share article via social media. So use any of the platforms to do that. And if you want to edit your story after publishing, just go to your profile, select stories from the drop-down menu under the profile icon, find the story you want to edit, click the 3 dots icon next to it, and select edit to make changes. You can also delete the story by selecting delete from the same options. Now go over the tutorial from the top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.